Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can stop sharing your photos with other Apple devices using your Apple ID. So the first step is to open settings, and in settings scroll and select apps. From here tap on the Photos app, then you should see the option iCloud Photos. To stop syncing with iCloud across your Apple devices, simply tap on this toggle to turn it off. Then you have two options. You can choose to remove any of the downloaded photos and videos from your iPad, or you can just choose to download them all. It's up to you. Then once you've made your choice, confirm your selection, and now it will be turned off. To confirm that your iPad has stopped syncing, it's fairly simple. Go to your Apple ID, then from here, select iCloud. Tap on Photos, and you should see Sync this iPad has been turned off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.